Hello traders, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to discuss some very profitable chart pattern that might appear in your chart. So these are very important and you have to learn those pattern if you want to be a successful price action trader, because these pattern are very profitable and you must identify those pattern in your trading session. So basically, as you can see, I already written some notes on those chart or those pattern. You have to listen it very carefully and watch the video till the end. So as you can see from here, stock price may remain flat for a period of time, and the shape of the stock price transition during this period may imply an uptrend or a downtrend thereafter. So what does that mean? That let me just take the example from here. As you can see that the chart is in consolidation zone, but after this chart might jump up to buying side or might uh, get down from this consolidation zone. And so this is the phenomena for any trade. So in this case the chart pattern can roughly divide into those showing the trend reversal. As you can see from the downside, the chart bounce back from this side and it is a reversal trend. And some sometime those showing the trend continuation. Sometime after this that trade might fell from this zone and continue the selling side from this example, as you can see. So let's take a closer look at each pattern. As a pattern that show a trend reversal, those might pattern hit the top, and a pattern that hit the bottom. So there are those pattern, those that you can say from here these might hit at the top side, and from here you can see that this might hit the downside. So these pattern roughly divided into top hitting pattern, or you can say in bottom hitting pattern. So my first pattern that I'm going to discuss is a very profitable pattern, and you should learn how this pattern appear and how you can identify this pattern in trade. So basically what happened in head and shoulder, from the name you can see, basically this pattern appear like this. Let me just draw this pattern. This is a rough drawing, you can get an idea from the chart. So this pattern appear like this. So what this chart indicate? So when a chart is formed with three top and pushed back to seller all the three times. So as you can see, these are three top, 1 2 and 3. So after hitting these three top, it return back to selling side, as you can see from here. So the middle high to this one is the head, we call this as a head. Left and right, this one left and this one right, is regarded as shoulder and is called head and shoulder. So this is a head and shoulder pattern. So as you can see from here, this is most famous ceiling, or you can say top. This is a top pattern, top hitting pattern. It means a shift to a downtrend over the medium to long term. So from here you can see that the trend is in bullish trend, but after formation of this pattern, the trend might tend reverse to medium to long term in selling side. So from here you can see the selling entry might start. So in this pattern of the three peak high, these are three high peak, the first third peak tends to be about the same level. So this and this, first and third, is about the same value. And the left and right push low price across second peak are also about the same. So these are those revert back from these zone, this line, as you can see here, this line, these and this line, these might be of same level. So You have to also pay the attention to volume generating at these zone. So if the volume here is at peak level, so this might indicate that after the breakout of this pattern, the trend may reverse to downtrend. So this is the example of head and shoulder. And head and shoulder, if you sum up the pattern, if the pattern form like this, there are possibility that trend might reverse from bullish to bearish trend. So let's move to next. So as you can see from the slide, another one is double top pattern. So double top pattern, what does that mean? So double top, as the name implies, double top mean the trend might trade like this, then this, then this, and then like this. So double top mean so when a chart is formed in which the stock price fall after touching the peak. So as you can see, these are two peaks, so these are at same level. So after hitting these two two peak, the price might fell to lower level. So this is a double top pattern. So what you have to what you have to remember here, there is if you focus on this line, imagine the psychological state of the investor at this time. What is actually happening here? There are stock when I want to buy, so I want to buy this stock from here. However, there is no chance to buy at all. Either I buy it or either I want to sell it here, because there is no chance that it might move up. But at the same time, seller got activated and push back it to this lower level, and after this level the buyers again start to buy this and the stock, and this then hit to again same level at this level, and again the seller got activated and pushing the trade or stock to more lower level. So you can see that this is also a trend reversal pattern after the bullish trend. So after double top, we have to come to the saucer top. So what is saucer top? As you can see from the name, saucer top is basically when a trade is trading like this. Let me just give a roughly idea. So as you can see, this is a it looks like a saucer because it formed the chart look like a inverted saucer placed under the cup during the relatively long period in the high price range and repeated small ups and down. As you can see, it is trading in small up and down position and forming a saucer shape, and after break out of finally this position or this price range, it might reverse back to bearish trend. From bullish trade, or you can say from this ups and down, this trade might fell to lower zone. So this is also a trend reversal pattern. You have to remember this pattern in your trade. In coming video I will explain these pattern in live chart, so you have to be in touch for better view of these pattern. So again the next one is reverse head and shoulder. So in the case of reverse head and shoulder, as we discussed earlier, this is our state, or you can say it is in bullish trend, and after breakout of this pattern, the trend reverse to bearish trend. But in case of reverse head and shoulder, the chart may appear, or the pattern may appear like this. Let me just give a rough idea, or you can like this. So as you can see, this is the head, these are two shoulder, and after entering the bearish zone, it try to touch this trend or this zone. Let me draw it with another color. So this is the main line that you have to focus. So after hitting this line many time, two time, basically 1 2, and after hitting the third time, the trend may reverse to bullish trend. So this is a reverse head and shoulder pattern, and it's look like this. So you can identify this from the trend. So next is our double bottom. So as discussed about the double top, so double bottom is the reverse of double top. So in double top, it is basically formed like this. So this is a double top, and you have to focus on this line. So as you can see, this is a double bottom, double bottom. If I this, you have to check what I am saying. It is a double bottom pattern. As you can see, it hit two time in bottom, so this is a double bottom. So after hitting these two bottom at same price level, or you can say at around same price level, this bounce back to this price to in bullish trend. So basically this is a bearish trend, and after hitting the two bottom, the trend might reverse to bullish trend. So in double bottom, the price trend tends to move to higher zone compared to bearish trend. So this is double bottom pattern. Next is another saucer bottom. So in saucer bottom, as we discussed, the saucer top, saucer bottom looks like something look like this. These pattern are just for your reference. You can get an idea how these look like. So this look like this. So after trading in different high low price range, it finally break out from the bearish to bullish trend. So again, the reverse pattern of saucer top is saucer bottom. It is called saucer bottom because it form a saucer like chart that sits under the cup while it is in bottom zone for relatively long period of time and repeats small ups and downs. So these are small ups and down, and finally break out of this line, the trend might reverse. You can take entry from here. So this is saucer bottom. So next is our triangular retention. So in triangular retention, there are different type of triangular price that might appear in trading session. So let me just draw quickly for those pattern. So first one is a this type of pattern. So if you draw a triangular section here, so it might look like this. So if the trade is trending in bullish trend, so this implies that trend might continue in upper side, and it might break out this triangle from these point to upper side. So this is a rise wedge, or you can say rising wedge pattern, rising wedge, or you can say upward triangle. This is a upward triangle, and it might generate a bullish trend in coming trading session. And if we draw the reverse of this triangle, it might look like let me just draw it here. So it might look like this. So if we just roughly draw triangle like this, so if the trade is trading in bearish trend or in downward trend and it is forming a triangle like this, so there are possibility that the trend might continue in bearish trend, and after the breakout of this triangle it might further fell to lower level. So these are two you can say a triangular section pattern, and you have to identify those pattern in upper side, or you can say in bullish trend or in bearish trend also. So next one is our pnet type. So pnet type you can say these are also of in bullish trend or in bearish trend. So how does they look like? Let me just give a quick idea about those. So triangle look like this triangle, so either this might jump to bullish trend, or if the trend is coming from this direction, from this direction, and it is forming a pnet type shape like this, so this might fell to lower level. So if the trend is rising from lower level to and trending in this pennant type, this might jump to higher level. And for bearish trend, if the triangle is forming like this might fall to lower level. So for box type, what are box type? The name implies the box, so box are either bullish or bearish. So these are very simple pattern you have to remember. So these are, or you can say these are consolidation pattern. So if a trend is entering the box in this shape, so this might jump the trade from consolidation to bullish trend. And for the bearish, let me just draw it. So this is a bearish box, or you can say flag type, box type, this one box type. So these pattern might either convert current trading session into bullish or in bearish trend. So flag type is also a very important pattern, and this is our last pattern. So in flag type pattern, it is basically formed from the pole and flag. So what does that mean? Actually, if a bullish trend trading like this, so this is a pole and this is a flag. If the trend is entering this flag pattern, there is possibility that it might tends to bullish trade in coming trading session. And for reverse, or you can say in bearish trend, we can draw this like this. So this is the pole and this is the flag. After bearish trend, there might be appearance of this particular pattern. After entering this flag, the trade might touch these support and resistance many time, and after breakout of this, there might possibility of trade continuation after breakout of this zone. So these are some very important pattern you have to remember, and this is a very quick video. If you want to learn these pattern in very precise and very effective way, you have to implement these pattern in your daily, or you can say in your trading session. I will create another video if you want to if you want If you want me to create another video, you can comment me about these in comment section. So thank you.